is Shannon.
And this is Ev, and welcome to the Kiki Carlotta YouTube channel.
Hi, we are here with our very first video to welcome you to our page. Shan, tell them what we're going to be talking about.
We'll be discussing, of course, natural hair and beauty.
Yes.
So if you have any questions, any comments, just leave them in the bottom in the comment section and we'll make sure we get back to you. Give us a little bit of time, but we'll get back to you.
Yes, we will. And we're here to share our journeys with you, give you a little bit of tips on it, how to help you out a little bit. Anything else, Shan?
Well, just to give you some background, I've been natural for a little over 2 years now at Ev.
My chop was November 25th, so I'm 7 months in now, almost to 8 months.
And we've been through a lot of ups and downs with our whole natural journey, and of course,
Yes.
like I have her for support, and she has me for support.
My
and
lifeline. I don't know what I would have done without her. I know I drove her crazy.
Yes, she did.
Texting, calling. I swear I took a picture of every wash and go to make sure it looked right.
What can I do better?
Yes, everything. And we know it's hard, so we have supported each other. We want to be here to support you all
and also to share our journey with you guys. So
yes,
just make sure you subscribe to our channel, and until later,
bye Carlotta.